Good morning, children. Today I am going to take tenses. Already I taught four types of the tenses. Okay, ma? Present tense 4, past tense 4, and future tense 4. Now again, how to change simple present tense to simple past tense and simple past tense to the simple future. Future means tomorrow, going to be. Past tense means yesterday's activity and present tense means today's activity. So be careful. You have to listen carefully. Okay, ma? Because these are the fundamentals. So to speak, you have to learn all those things. So here, Mary wakes up at 6 o'clock every day. Okay, every day she wakes up at 6 o'clock every day. Here, why I added yes or I taught? When the noun is present tense, third person singular, we have to add yes form to the verb. Here, Mary is the noun. So, Mary third person singular. When the third person singular, he, she, it or pronoun, we have to add yes to the verb. That's what I wrote yes. So if there is a I wake up. Am I added anything here? No, I didn't add because I, we, you, they. We should not add anything to the verb when the verb is the present tense. When the verb is the present tense, third person singular, we have to add yes. But that is the quite natural. But no need to forget this one. Okay, but while you're writing also, you be careful. But now our point is this present tense. To present tense, this is the wakes. She is waking every day at 6 o'clock. This present tense shows the present action. This present action, how it happened yesterday, we have to write. So, you have to think about the tenses carefully. Okay, ma? Then only you can write the correct answers. Okay. So, when the present tense wakes, this present tense, we have to show yesterday's activity. Yesterday's activity. At that time, you have to remember what is the past tense of the wake. What is the past tense of the wake? Oh, okay, very good. So, I'm going to change, be careful. Mary woke up at 6 o'clock yesterday. Yesterday, Mary woke up at 6 o'clock, not wakes up. This wakes present tense changes to yesterday's activity. So, what is the past tense of the wake? Woke. Mary woke up at 6 o'clock yesterday. That is yesterday's activity. When the verb is the past tense, it shows the past action. When the verb is the present tense, it shows the present action. Okay, now we are going to change these into tomorrow's activity. Tomorrow's activity. Be careful, ma. Here, this is the present tense. Mary wakes up at 6 o'clock every day. That is the present action. When the wakes comes to the past tense, I didn't add anything. Mary woke up at 6 o'clock yesterday. Yesterday shows the past. Okay. Now I'm going to tell future. Future means tomorrow. So what happened tomorrow? So here Mary will wake up. Mary will wake up at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock tomorrow. Is there any difference, ma? Yes, there is a difference. This is the present tense. Present tense changes to past tense, yesterday's action. Tomorrow's action, we have to use the will. Will and shall shows the future. Will and shall shows the future. That too will show the strong determination. Will show the strong determination. Strong determination. Determination. So when you use the will, we have to do, that is our moral responsibility. Will shows the strong determination. So Mary will wake up at 6 o'clock tomorrow. This is the tomorrow's action. This is yesterday's action. This is present action. So whatever any sentence, while they are asking present tense to past tense, be careful. You should know the tenses clearly, then only you can write the correct answer. While you are writing the Mary woke up at 6 o'clock every day, is it the correct answer? No, it is the wrong one. Why? Because this is the past tense. Past tense shows the yesterday. While you are writing the present tense, for example, Mary wakes up at 6 o'clock yesterday. Is it correct one? No. So you have to observe the tenses carefully. What answers you are writing, what they asked. Present tense to future, you can write. Future to present tense, you can write. For example, Mary will wake up at 6 o'clock. Now we have to change into this future tense to present tense. What we have to write? We should not use the will, because will show the future. What write? Mary wakes. Mary wakes. So my dear student, you should know the tenses correctly, clearly, then only you can write the correct answer what they asked. So this is the present tense, then future tense to present tense, then present tense to past tense. You have to remember what is the tense. Mary woke up at 6 o'clock yesterday. Oh, past tense. Wake, present tense. Will wake is the future tense. Okay, ma? Have you understood, ma? So, simple present tense to simple past tense. You have to remember the tense clearly. Today's action, yesterday's activity, and tomorrow's activity. Tomorrow what going to happen? I will go. Tomorrow I will go. Tomorrow I will write. I will write tomorrow. I will paint tomorrow. I will clean tomorrow. Teacher will come tomorrow. Today madam is absent. Yesterday also madam was absent. But tomorrow madam will come. Madam will give notes. Yesterday madam gave. Be careful. So whatever any sentence, you have to remember what tense it is. What tense they asked. Present tense or past tense or future tense. In the future tense, we have to use will and shall. Will and shall shows the future. So you be careful. These are all the fundamentals. I taught present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. For past and future also. These are all the fundamentals. When you show the concentration in this, definitely you can speak correct English. Okay, ma? But don't be lazy. What you are listening, what you are watching, you be careful. What are the points you remember? Once again, you go through the textbook and what are the grammar part we given. Be careful and do it your own also. Okay? Well, you take one example, then present tense to past tense to future tense. Again, future tense to past tense and past tense to future tense to present tense. While you are making your own answer, definitely you will get the correct grammar. Then you can write correct answers also. No one should copy. Okay, ma? So English grammar is not copying. You have to understand clearly and cleverly and skillfully. These are only clues you remember. Don't by heart at any time. Don't by heart the grammar. You have to go through the clues. Then you remember and keep it in the mind, but not in the notebook. You have to write in the notebook, but you have to keep everything in the mind. But now, have you understood what are the tenses and how to change present to past to future? Okay, ma? Is it clear? Okay? Okay. All happy, joy.